welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. I'm a chartered accountant. I've worked in an insurance and finance company for more than 25 years. Today, today is the first day you are seeing my channel, what I want you to do for me is to like this video. When you like this video, subscribe to my channel so that when we subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. So today we shall be looking at very important topics about picking the stocks in Nigeria. We shall be looking at 8 affordable Nigerian stocks to buy now, compare with the 2025, compare current year of 2025 and the future price, especially for the year 2026. These are cheapest stock because most investors believe that they need to participate only on the popular stocks like Dangote, like MTN, like Airtel Africa and the like. But there are some cheap stocks that if you can be able to quickly take position, you can skyrocket for the year 2026. The price can just go up. And a lot of investors will realize profit running to 300, 200% of their price. So if you can take position based on our recommendation of these 8 cheap stocks, but you too, you can do your own due diligence. Everybody have the option to be able to convince himself by studying the fundamental. But we are just, based on the findings from different kind of financial analysis, we just come up with these stocks that this stock is likely to move up for the year 2026. So quickly, we shall be looking at these 8 cheap Nigerian stocks that you can, we are recommending. We are not compelling you. We are just recommending you to be able to, to be able to use it so that you too, you cannot look at each one of them and now do your own due diligence to be convinced so that before you put in your money into this kind of stocks. So the first stock we are going to look at today is PZ Cushing. PZ Cushing is operating on the fast-moving commercial goods in Nigeria, and they have been consistent in the dividend payment for the past year. So you can look at the PZ, and then the PZ based on its loyalty, based on the expansion base, based on their profit margin, and based on the consistent in their dividend payments, this company might likely to move up and realize a sizable capital gains for an investor. And the current price of these stocks is 42 naira. It still be undervalued. So you can look at these stocks and make your quick decision about it. Then we'll move to the second one. The second one is AIICO Insurance PLC. You cannot go with you cannot, talk about cheap stocks currently without talking about AIICO. AIICO has been the oldest insurance companies, and they are, based on the coming recapitalization, post-recapitalization era, this company will be one of the leaders in insurance companies in Nigeria. So AIICO is a very good investment that you can, look at it now and then give yourself duration of 1 year. You see how your capital will have grown from this kind of levels because the current price of AIICO Insurance is 3 naira 84 kobo, which this stocks can get to by in the next 1 year. This stock can get to around 6 naira, 7 naira, and then you will have make your capital gain. Then we move to Universal Insurance PLC. Universal Insurance PLC is an insurance company that still be undervalued. The current price is 1 naira 10 kobo. But I can assure you, this company, if you can be able to meet up with the current recapitalizations, and then any opportunity that can come up can increase this company share price to about 2 naira 2 naira 50 kobo based on their past year underwriting profits, and then this underwriting profits and their net profit, this company can upside suddenly, and you can make a capital gain from this kind of company. The prices are very low. The price at 1 naira 10 kobo. I can assure you, almost of the insurance company at the beginning of this year, they are routing under 1 naira and 2 naira. Some of them are now moving close to 4 naira, but this company is still left over. But I can assure you, this company, if you can put it in your portfolio, you realize sizable capital gains on your investment. Then we move to number 4, which is Veritas Kapital. Veritas Kapital Assurance. Now the current price is 1 naira 14 kobo. The current size of this stock is 1 naira 14 kobo. Investors are really re-entering the insurance space. So Veritas has cleaned its books. So it has potential for growth. So this company, and the current price 1 naira 14 kobo, which is still undervalued. So this company, based on the recapitalization, post-recapitalization era, this company can still, can still achieve better returns for an investor in the coming year. At least put yourself into, 1 year or 6 months. Then you compare the current price with this stock. Then you see what is going to happen. Then you can see either you thank me or not. Then we move to number 5. Number 5 is Japaul Gold. Japaul Gold. Japaul Oil and Marine Services provides marine offshore construction, marine equipment. It has been in existence for long, and this company has been making profit for the past years. So it's a company that you can quickly look at it, because based on the current price of 2 naira 45 kobo, Japan oil or Japan gold is an avenue for you to, to be able to see by year 2026. This stock might get to about 5 naira. I can assure you. So, but do your own diligence, but based on the analysis, based on the fundamental analysis, based on what we have seen in their past records and then their dividends, payments, we can, this company can be of advantage to the investor for the coming years. So you can look at it and put sizable amounts, but you have to do your own due diligence and make sure you are convinced by yourself before you put in your money into this kind of stock. Now, number 6 is Ikeja Hotel. Ikeja Hotel, operating hospitality services in the country, especially in Lagos. This company, based on the travel and events movement in Nigeria. So this company, Ikeja Hotel, is one of the company that you can look at, especially for the expansion of their profit margin for years now, and they have been paying dividend on a regular basis. So Ikeja Hotel has been a very good one that you can look at and move to the next level by the year 2026. Do your own diligence. We are just recommending to guide you, to open your eyes to what is going to happen. Then we move to UDPC. UDPC is an estate, is operating in an estate sector of Nigeria. These are REITs that you can buy. If you cannot invest directly with if you cannot invest physical directly in any estate, you can go through REIT. You can buy their share on the stock of exchange. Whatever income they realize, the share is among the shareholders. So this company is the company that you can look at it for the year 2026. Then we move to Deap Capital Management. Deap Capital Management. The current price is 1 naira 58 kobo, and it has been operating in the finance services of company in the Nigerian capital market section, and it has been operating as a financial advisory, as an asset management. So this company, the current price is 1 naira 58 kobo. This company, any sudden change, especially this restructuring, this company can move up to about 3 naira, about 4 naira. So look at this. Deep Capital Management is a company to be watched for the year 2026. All these stocks are trading below 50 naira. What are you waiting for? Giving ordinary investor a chance to make a sizable returns on their investment. So I want you to look at these 8 scenarios and then check them one after the other. Look at their fundamental analysis. Look at their the management, and then look at the nature of what they do. All these things will be able to convince you. At the same time, look at their dividend records. Then look at their liquidity. You need to check their liquidity so that you can come in and go out of this kind of stocks. This is an opportunity for you to be able to make maximum returns for the year 2026. So don't make put sizable amount into this kind of, but don't put all your fund into one stock. You can spread them among these stocks, among UDPC, among Cornerstone, among Japaul Gold, or you put sizable amount into Deep Capital Management at the same time for PZ, at the same time for Capital Assurance PLC. These are the opportunity. I want you to, which of these investment, I want you to put it in the comment section that you want to participate on for the year 2026. Thank you for watching this video to the end and for liking my video. Especially when you like this video, you are helping our channel. It makes our channel to grow. At the same time, the YouTube organic will be able to send it to so many people. They too will be able to be abreast of this kind of opportunity. And I want you to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. Thank you for watching this video to the end and for subscribing and like my video. Thank you. God bless you.